it used to just have this and this on the steering arm. We made this custom bracket, and then we added these right here, and I'll put it back on. You can see the brakes rotors are really good. It's got a Wood master cylinder, and I don't know if you noticed, but this is a wrench. So basically, that's a wrench. It's got the aluminum radiator, and then for this net, it's a seat belt here, but then this is a wrench. So let's do a cold start. I already have the battery switch on, and I'm going to flip on some buttons. Starts right up, and if you wanted to, you could bring the exhaust under. I kind of like this. I'll probably just have something like this if I keep it, just a little bit like that, but that's what it is, man. This thing hauls ass. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'll go around this side. So obviously there's a cooler on the front. Everything's new, all high-grade bolts. Those brake arms are really nice. And then you look like custom motor mounts here. And then check out this oil can as the radiator overflow. It's a vintage oil can. And then again, there's the wrench. Everything's LS. It would come with an air cleaner, not my company's logo, Lexan. But it's a 5.3, which is great for boosting. This place called Moonshine Motorworks did the diff. Seals Hot Rod Garage was involved in the build. This is my company. You walk around, and it's pretty basic, a two-seater, really nice. And then for the gas tank, it's just a mini, but if you wanted to put a bigger gas tank on or a fuel cell, you could, but depends on how far you go. And then it's got the bomber seats that are covered.